Hello friends, today I will share with you about building inner strength and self-respect, self-growth 9. First, focus on yourself, not others. Don't worry about what others say about you. Whether you succeed or fail, people will always have opinions. Instead of focusing on their opinions, concentrate on your talents, your life goals, and your family. Your success matters, but what is most important is your own journey. Other people's opinion don't define who you are and where you are going. Stay focused on what is truly important to you and let the rest go. Your family and your goals are what really count. Second, your words shape your future. Your words create your world, so use your word wisely. Ratan Tata once said that iron is strong and can only be destroyed by its own rust. Similarly, we are strong, but our mindset plays a crucial role in shaping our lives. Your mindset is influenced by the words you use. The phrases you repeat about yourself reflect your mindset. There is saying, words create the world. What you say about yourself is what you become. However, if you constantly put yourself down and badmouth yourself, you create a negative mindset that can affect your future. Instead, use positive, loving words about yourself. Speak with kindness and abundance. What you say about yourself will shape your destiny. Choose your words wisely and create a future you will be proud of. Third, embrace challenges for inner strength. To become mentally strong, you need to face problems, whether they are big or small. Dealing with these challenges head on builds your inner confidence and strength. Each time you tackle a problem, you learn and grow, making you more resilient. It's important to confront difficulties directly instead of avoiding them. This approach helps you become stronger from within. Success alone does not make you mentally strong. While it can boost your confidence, it might also make you complacent or even arrogant. True mental strength comes from how you handle and learn from problems, not just from achieving success. Success can sometimes make you feel overconfident, but facing and overcoming challenges helps you build lasting strength. So, embrace every problem as a chance to grow. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to improve yourself and become more resilient. Remember, it's not about avoiding difficulties, but about learning from them and becoming stronger through your experiences. By dealing with problems directly, you build the mental strength that will help you handle whatever life throws at you. Number 4. Choosing self-respect, the power of living. If someone treats you as if you are worthless, the best thing you can do for yourself is to walk away from their life. Sometimes living is the best way to protect your self-esteem and peace of mind. When someone constantly disregards your worth and treats you badly, it is important to recognize your value and not accept such behavior. By removing yourself from that negative situation, you are reaffirming your worth and denying the abuse. Always remember, if somebody is treating you like you are nothing, you must become nothing in their lives. By living, just walk away. Living doesn't mean you are weak, it means you are stronger enough to prioritize your well-being. It is about choosing happiness and self-esteem instead of enduring abuse. Walking away allows you to regain control of your life and surround yourself with positivity and respect. It is a powerful decision that honors your worth and sets boundaries for how others should treat you. Remember, you deserve to be valued and respected in any relationship or interaction. Number 5. Balancing ego and humility for success. Giving advice to someone who refuses to listen is like giving him bitter poison. It harms him rather than helps him. It is much wiser to admit your shortcomings and focus on correcting them. A person who faces his mistakes and learns from them can achieve success and respect universally. Hope and faith are never wrong. It just depends on who we hope and trust. Ego is sometimes necessary to protect our rights, maintain our character, and earn respect. Yet, true strength lies not only in winning but also in knowing when to humbly accept defeat. This balance is essential for personal growth and overall success. To build inner strength and self-respect, focus on your own journey rather than others' opinions. Your words shape your future, so speak positively about yourself. Embrace challenges to grow stronger and understand that real strength comes from overcoming difficulties, not just from success. If someone treats you poorly, walking away can protect your self-esteem and peace of mind. Balancing ego and humility helps you grow and succeed. Remember, it's about staying true to yourself, learning from experiences, and choosing what is the best for your well-being. Embrace these principles to live a more empowered and fulfilling life. I hope you enjoyed this video on building inner strength and self-respect. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more self-growth tips. Keep focusing on yourself, using positive words, embracing challenges, and balancing ego with humility. Stay tuned for more inspiration on your journey to personal growth. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Keep smiling, stay positive, and enjoy every moment. Your journey to greatness begins now. Thank you.